How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be highlighting one of the latest offerings from industry leader SVE with their new GT350 brake caliper brackets for the 2015 to 2020 S550 Mustang. So what we have here today is SVE's new GT350 brake caliper brackets. The caliper brackets are manufactured and designed in the USA and will be constructed of T6061 billet aluminum to the highest quality standards. New factory style mounting hardware is also included within the kit to replace all of your factory torque to yield bolts. SVE has two different offerings for these caliper brackets. There will be the 15.5-inch GT350 or the 15-inch performance pack applications. Before you pick these up, you'll want to head over to our website and download our PDF template to make sure that you have proper wheel clearance before ordering these parts. Due to the design of these brackets, you will need to check the clearance between your wheels and the caliper. SVE has you covered here with our wheel fitment template. This template will be found on the product page. By using this, you will be able to determine if the wheels you have on your S550 have the proper clearance so you do not run into fitment issues. Guys, this is a really awesome upgrade for any of your S550 Mustangs. I have to say that fit and functionality are spot on with this one, and SVE knocked it out of the park. The larger GT350 calipers are not only aesthetically pleasing, overall stopping capabilities of your Mustangs will be a night and day difference. Please note these are just going to be the caliper brackets only. You will still need to source your calipers and rotors for the corresponding kit, and depending on your wheels, make sure you double check for any wheel clearance issues that could come up. To see more how-to videos covering industry-leading parts and service, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and turn on notifications. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.